Hello everyone. Today we will do differential equation for SHM. This is very important topic for NEET JEE point of view. So let's discuss about differential equation of SHM. So as you know, acceleration is equal to minus omega square x. This is the essential condition for satisfying the SHM. If any body performing motion, if it can satisfy this equation, that is a is equal to minus omega square x, that means the body is performing a simple harmonic motion. So now we can derive this equation in the terms of differential form. So we can write acceleration is equal to d square x by dt square, right? 2 time differentiation of displacement with respect to time is equal to the acceleration, and which is equal to minus omega square x. So that becomes d square x by dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. This is the differential equation of simple harmonic motion. Differential equation of simple harmonic motion. Let's take some example. How we can check the motion is simple harmonic or not. Example first. Let us suppose we are taking equation 16 dx square by dt square plus 25x equal 0. First of all, check this, it is harmonic or not. This is dx square by dt square and d square x by dt square plus omega square x, compare it, equal to 0. It means this is satisfying the simple harmonic motion. The question is find its time period. You have to find its time period. If this is a simple harmonic motion, this is equation of simple harmonic. Equation of simple harmonic motion, and you have to find its time period. How you can calculate this? First of all, find out the omega from this. So compare it with differential form. What is differential form? D square x by dt square plus omega square x equals 0. First of all, make this equation compatible to it. How you can make compatible? Here 1 d square x by dt square, here 16 d square x by dt square, so divided by 16, so you can write d square x by dt square plus 25 by 16 x equal to 0. You can write 16 से आपने यहाँ भी डिवाइड कर दिया, यहाँ भी डिवाइड कर दिया, तो ये 16 by 16 1 हो गया और 25 by 16 as it is आ गया. So you can you make this equation comparable to this. On comparing, you can find this is d square x by dt square, 25 by 16, that is omega square. So omega square equals 25 by 16. That means omega equal 5 by 4. If omega equal 5 by 4, then time period equal 2 pi by omega. That means 2 pi by 5 by 4. That is 8 pi by 4. 8 pi by 5, sorry. So this is the time period. So how that is the way to check out how we can check simple harmonic motion, or we can calculate time period, right? Yes dear, next question is x equal e to the power minus omega t. You have to check whether it is doing SHM or not. क्या ये SHM कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा? तो how we can check this? In previous concept, I have told you what is the differential condition of SHM. So for SHM, this condition must be satisfied. That is d square x by dt square plus omega square x must be equal to 0, and the sign should be positive, right? So to check it, let's do the differentiation of x with respect to time, and you have to do 2 times differentiation. So dx by dt becomes d by dt e to the power minus omega t. अब इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है बच्चे? इसका डिफरेंशिएशन होता है e टू द पावर माइनस ओमेगा टी और उसके बाद डिफ्रेंशिएशन होगा इसके फंक्शन का, इसकी पावर का, तो डी बाई डी टी माइनस ओमेगा टी. So that becomes dx by dt equal minus omega e to the power minus omega t, right? This is the first differentiation. Do it again in the same way, d square x by dt square and d by dt of minus omega e to the power minus omega t. Now it will become minus omega e to the power minus omega t as it is, and differentiation of its power, that is minus omega t. So d square x by dt square is equal to minus omega and minus omega, that becomes plus omega square and e to the power minus omega t, right? So d square x by dt square equal plus omega square e to the power minus omega t. Now you can replace e to the power minus omega t is equal to x. So in this we can put x. So this is the equation. Now rearrange this. On rearranging, you will get d square x by dt square minus omega square x equals 0. So compare it with the identical condition of SHM. D square x by dt square plus omega square x, and here minus omega square x equal to 0. It means this is having minus sign, it means it is not satisfying the condition of SHM. So we can say that this is not as SHM, ये SHM नहीं है. Okay. Now question number 3, equal x equal sin omega t plus cos omega t, and you have to again check it is performing SHM or not. So to check it again, make it in the terms of differential and compare it with the differential. If it satisfies the condition, that means it is SHM, or otherwise it is not. So for comparing it with differential equation, you have to make the differentiation of x with respect to time. 2 times differentiation. So we are taking it in first time. So d by dt sin omega t plus cos omega t. So differentiation of sin omega t बताओ क्या होता है बेटा? d by dt sin omega t, you can write it like this, plus d by dt. We are doing the differentiation in 2 parts, that is first and second one. So dx by dt equal cos omega t into omega, right, plus sin omega t, in fact minus sin omega t into omega. So that becomes dx by dt equal omega cos omega t minus omega sin omega t, right? This is dx by dt, and you have to differentiate it again. So d square x by dt square becomes d by dt omega cos omega t minus omega sin omega t. So on differentiating, cos omega t becomes minus sin omega t, and omega again come out, so that becomes minus omega square minus omega cos omega t, and omega comes out, that becomes minus omega square. So d square x by dt square, so minus gets common, and omega square also. So sin omega t plus cos omega t, that is equal to d square x by dt square, right? So sin omega t plus cos omega t is equal to x. So you can put this and you can replace it by x, d square x by dt square minus omega square x. So on rearranging, d square x by dt square plus omega square x equals 0. This is the main condition of SHM, and it is satisfying the condition. That's why it is performing SHM, right? Thank you.